next up from FRING.
Thank you.
Hi, can everybody hear me? I am Dan from FRING. How many of you have actually used FRING or heard about FRING? Show of hands. Okay, I've got some work to do here. Okay, so within my slide, I might actually do a short video as well. So, yeah, but we'll use that only if we have some time. So, quick word about myself. My name is Dan. I work for FRING. What is FRING? FRING is an application and a service on a mobile phone, a purely mobile player, that allows you to talk, chat, make video calls, and interact with your buddies from your mobile. I have an issue here. From your mobile, everything done is over IP, so no circuit switch is used here. And basically, we allow you to connect to all your buddies from a variety of IM and social networks on the internet from one unified application that allows you to have all your buddies in one list, of course, do all those things. Talk, chat, video calls, and interact. I was invited here to talk about distribution and about the challenges of a mobile application, so I'll try to do that. If you can see on the right-hand side of the slide, currently, we take more than 500,000 new subscribers every month. That's internationally. Pretty much every country in the world. And FRING users, as we call them, FRINGsters, spend around 4 hours a day on average on FRING. That's, of course, relevant to a background-enabled device, so the iPhone does not count here. And you can see the graph beneath that. And you can see that we started in 2007 before any app store was anywhere in sight, and the curve has been quite nice to us. It's been going strong for a while. And I'm going to spend 2 minutes talking how we've done that, how we're doing it now. Basically, it's all about innovation. If your product is good, if people are finding that you provide them value and what you do is something they need, they will use it and they will take up on it. So we've been the first to bring VoIP to Symbian. We were the first to bring Skype, of course, to Symbian in 2007 when we launched. We were the first to do that on the iPhone, we were the first to do it on Android. We are the first to provide video calls from Symbian and iPhone, and very soon on Android as well. And basically, if you are an innovator, people appreciate that. Of course, not everybody's looking into innovation, but if you're the first to be in that field, people will follow up. Second thing is, of course, user satisfaction. It's all about listening to your customers and trying to make them happy. And then it starts to finding a multi-channel kind of approach to distribution. We have several friends in the audience, not personally maybe, but friends in terms of joint interest. Been working very closely with Signal Foundation, with Samsung, and with some operators. Not of them are here. And these are opportunities that are very important to developers. Basically, there are opportunities to do co-marketing, to do pre-embedding that are very important for players like us. They do take resources, but they are very valuable. I think it's also very important to know that you can find lesser high, let's say, profile partners. We found that the SIP community, people who actually terminate calls from the internet, like Skype out. There's a large community out there that was looking for a mobile solution. I'm just showing a bit of the product, just a few minutes of that. So we found that there are some communities like Wi-Fi providers, like broadband providers, ISPs, that are providing VoIP. We're looking for a mobile client, so we created a easy to we found an easy way to connect to FRING. Basically, you sign up on the website, and you can basically start distributing FRING with your user credentials, so they can start making calls when they download from you. Now, in the last year and a half, we start working with operators. They do have the best relationship with the customers, and this is something we appreciate. When I joined FRING, I thought that I would never speak to operators because I'm doing disruptive stuff. Apparently, we're now mainstream. So,
We have about 3 minutes to take some questions. All the videos playing over. Questions for Frank?
So we can see the buddy list here on iPhone. So all my buddies, the quality. So you can see all my buddies basically from different networks in one unified list. There's a picture. We provide information about how where you're connected. I'm going to show you. This is, for example, I'm checking Tom. You can see I can chat. There are 3 icons. So there's chat, there's voice, and video. And now we're going to do a video call, which will be. So basically, this is the iPhone. You're probably one of the few first people to see it in the world. We do 2 ways video on iPhone. Please remember, there's only one camera, so it's a bit a strange situation. The bottom screen is my background, where the phone is actually lying on the floor, and on the top is the video coming up from my friend Rita. And now you can see that I'm broadcasting 2-way video from the iPhone over IP, and you can see that that's actually working in a bizarre way because of the strange iPhone feature. And the last thing I'm going to show you here in a second. Yeah, out of time. Yeah, just finishing. This is a new feature that we're bringing in now. It's called the stream. It's basically a FRING stream that we connect together all the activities from Facebook, Twitter, and your mobile phone features like calls, voices, and so on from one unified list. That's about that. Thank you.